So how can you remove the hidden apps on your iPhone? Let's get started. So as you are on the home screen, what you can do is to swipe all the way to the right until you find the app library. And this is the place where you can find the hidden folder as well. Naturally, click on it, scan your face and see what's inside. So if you want to remove the app from here, just make sure you can see it like it's visible right here and just hold down on it once again. And obviously you can go ahead and delete it if you want, right? But rather just click on the don't require face ID, which will make the app not hidden anymore. So once you click it, you need to scan your face again. And then the app will be removed from the hidden apps folder and it will just appear normally as all of the other apps do. So you can find it inside of the app library right there. It works fine. Everything is as it was before. And obviously you can click on require face ID once again to hide it again. So this is how you can do it for most of the apps. The principle is the same no matter which specific application you're doing this with. But yeah, it's pretty much just that simple. If anything changed in the future with a software update, I'm gonna keep you updated, so make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll see you in the future tutorials like this one.